Hi everyone, this is Jenny Strebe with Confessions of a Hairstylist, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of hair color confession. So I actually retouch my own hair every other time. I usually have my friend Veronica inside the salon do highlights and then she retouches it, but then the following appointment I'll just do it myself just because of time-wise. So I know there are a lot of ladies out there that are retouching their own hair, so I want to show you guys how to properly do it at home. Not saying that any of my clients should be running off and buying hair color in the grocery store or anything, but when you do it at home, I want to show you guys how to do it properly. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I got my trusty cape on because you definitely want to protect your clothing. And now the product I'm going to be using is Goldwell. So I love this color line. The color system is super easy to use. It's foolproof and it's really nice, rich and vibrant color. So I just love this stuff. The color that I usually put on my roots is their 9GN, and that is a gold natural. I like my hair to have a little bit of gold and warm tones to it, but if I just did a 9G, my hair would definitely take really brassy, so I don't want that. So that's why having a little bit of natural in there definitely gives me that warmth that I want, but not too overly gold. So this is really easy to use. So it's just equal parts. So we want to do 30 milliliters of developer, and I have the 20 volume. And then we're going to do 30 grams of the Goldwell 9GN. So basically all you have to do is take your peroxide, your developer, and you want to fill it up to the 30 milliliter line. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my 9GN, and a half a tube is 30 grams, so that's going to give me a total of 60 milliliters of color. I'm just going to go ahead and mix that up. All right, you can tell that I got my gloves on. You definitely want to use gloves when you're using any kind of color product. So you can look at my roots and you can tell it's pretty, my hair is pretty dirty, and you definitely want to apply color on dirty hair. That way when you shampoo the hair, and it's going to open up your pores, and this having a little bit of grunge to it just helps give it a little bit of barrier of protection. So that's why I particularly like to put color on grungy, dirty hair. So it works out well. So now I'm just going to go ahead and section my hair off here using the end of my Goldwell coloring comb. And I'm going to be using 4 sections here. Okay, I've sectioned my hair off in 4 sections, and what I like to do is just get in there at the root, at my section area, and you want to be careful not to overlap. I like to do the hairline first. And of course the back area is the hardest to get, but I just do it by feel. Now that I've gotten all of my quadrants sectioned out with the color, I'm just going to go through and take little sections, and now I'm going to be coloring inside my quadrants. When sectioning out your hair, you definitely want to take not bigger than 1/4-inch sections because you want to make sure that you get the sections really nice and saturated. All right, so all we have to do is wait now. It just takes about 35 minutes to process. All right, so there you guys have it, a really easy way to retouch your hair. All I did was let it process, shampoo, condition, and blow dried it, and you can see that it gave it a really nice soft effect to it. I love Goldwell tones, and for more hair tutorials and tips all about hair, please subscribe to my channel, and feel free to check out my Instagram, my Facebook, my Twitter. I got it all.